God commands Moses to speak, and Moses is unsure that he can actually do it. But as we enter chapter 7, we discover something very quickly. Moses still does it. This is so important. We've learned again in this passage of Scripture that Pharaoh has brought all of his power and might down against Moses and the children of Israel. And because of that, the children of Israel now are against Moses. So all of this out and around Moses is against him. Nobody is liking his Facebook posts right now because everything he is saying is wrong. Moses feels insecure. It appears as if everything is against him except one thing. God called him to do it, and he does it anyway. Moses shows incredible courage in the face of incredible odds.